Hello guys, welcome to another new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade the news on US dollar versus Canadian dollar. This news will come after 3 hours, which will be based on flash manufacturing PMI. Let's see what the impact of this news will be. Here we are following the price action where the market is moving downwards. Our entry has happened at the right time here. I know how much loss is going to happen and I am placing the trade accordingly. See you guys after some time. Guys, all our trades have been placed well. Currently the loss is around $300. We have $2,800 in this account which we have to grow. Now I will explain to you with proper technical analysis why we placed a sell trade here. Guys, the market has been moving downwards, creating lower lows and lower highs for a long time, thereby creating selling opportunities here again and again. For this reason we applied sell trade because we can achieve the target quickly on the downside. Let us start the technical analysis now. On this trend line, the market is moving downwards, taking proper resistance. We will connect all these resistance points properly with the trend line. This trend line is important for us because further analysis will be based on this trend line. Take another trend line and connect it at the same angle at the lower low points. This trend line is acting as support. This will give us an idea of how far the market can go down. The market has been following this downtrend channel for a long time now, so we can see the perfect downtrend pattern here. Now we will draw strong support resistance level. This will let us know from which level the market can reverse in the future. For this I am using the rectangle tool, which is my favorite tool. The market has created multiple support resistance points at this level from where the market has drawn resistance and support patterns at the same level. You can see at these points that the market first took support and later broke this level and took resistance, due to which a support become resistance pattern has been created here. Such patterns are always formed in a downtrend. This gives us an idea that the market will go below this level as the market has been following downtrend in the past. We will also follow the downtrend of the market so that we can reach our goal quickly. Now we will place stop loss and take profit here. This will help us to exit the market in the right place. Here my stop loss will be 14 pip above the strong reversal level and outside the trend channel. If a trend line breakout happens here, then we make it a very good buying opportunity, and the target point will be 28 pip below where the market can make a new lower low. Here I am using risk to reward ratio 1:2, which I do in every trade. Guys, our loss has increased from $300 to $500. We will follow the proper trading process here. Only then we can achieve good and big targets. Let me place the stop loss and target points. Guys, now we will remain in the trade with patience because all our work is complete. Now the work ahead is of the market. We have drawn all the levels correctly from our side, due to which we are confident that the market will go downwards. The market always gives us good opportunities through which we can generate good profits. To catch the big moves of the market, we have to understand the nature of the market, because the market always gives a big move after going sideways. This is the nature of the market. Guys, now we wait for the market to bottom, whether it goes up or down. If you like the video, then please like it.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Woo! Endless celebrations all in my house. Yeah. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. Yeah. London boy, but DC where I'm now. Put the time in, now you always got a time out. If you quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were watching, I was handing you my business. Like Harry Potter playing Quidditch in my business.
Wow guys, nice move. The impact here in the market was on our side. We have opened the forexfactory.com site here, where you can see that US dollar flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI news, which is with red label. Such news always has a high impact on the market. The market is currently moving downwards very fast, but soon there will be profit booking by traders and institutions, due to which the market will reverse upwards. Guys, my profit target was at this level, which got hit very well here. We followed the entire price action, because the market also tells through price action what impact the news will have on the market. Let me analyze further and tell you which level the market can follow now. The market has created multiple support points at this level. Whenever the market has come near this level, it has always reversed upwards. This is the next strong support resistance level of the market, which the market is following right now. Here we can again see a support becoming resistance pattern, because the market is moving downwards following this pattern. Now we close the trade. Guys, we are making a profit of more than $5,300 here. We had deposited $2,800 in this account, which has now grown to $8,300. We followed the price action for news trade. In this way also we can make profit from news. The market gives us a lot of opportunities to make profits. Always follow the trading process and never break your rules. If you have learned something from this video, then please like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.